guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lynn and in this video I'll show the most profitable and easiest trading strategy. Watch this video until the end to write a comment, then like you want to receive $100 to the balance on the website. And now let's start our trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialog with me and write plus VIP.
So let's start. So we set up our workspace. The first is our amount to $100. You'll see, and the amounts will be 1 minute as usual. 1 minute time frame on our chart. And today we'll use Cancer at the top of the screen. Also everywhere Cancer payout percentage is more than 70%. I'll recommend you choose this payout percentage or more, but no less. So this indicator, you see these settings. This indicator determines consolidation. It helps to in many cases it acts as an assistant, highlighting resistance levels and sometimes support level, but not always. That's what we use this indicator for. Then the second indicator is for us. You can see it at the bottom of the screen. This indicator shows us the strength of our trend. So we see we had a fallen trend. Here we see when the trend falls, the bars decrease, increase more precisely in the opposite direction when we have recovery. So to the zero mark, but it's slightly shifted for us. And what the strength of the trend is also. I think you understand how these two indicators work. We choose the first concept. Here we are, UPTL, and we start our technical analysis. The first thing that we do is we could highlight the support area. Here with the pullbacks, and here we also overcome it quite correctly, so we don't particularly highlight the entire area. The first we have drawdown, then consolidation started in the upper positions, so we open up, then shadows of our candles. The shadows are mainly located on the top, and growth continues in the upper position. Bars 1, 2, increasing. Then there's a from bottom to top, which also confirms that our we opened correctly. Plus CL, good. We see our balances increase. Good. And let's move on to the next concept. So here we are, open also UPTL. Now technical analysis. We see consolidation, support in the resistance area, support area, and resistance area. We see here at the moment it started growing. Some increasing to the support, to the resistance area. Then what we see, let's indicate in the consolidation also, but a little drawdown. Next we will see what our indicator says to us. 4 seconds left until the end of the deal. And we are in the next concept. What we see here: consolidation, confident candles, moving down. We are in the down positions, so we up and down. So then we analyze our indicator involved. So we are also in the down position, downward trend. Next, we look. We see support area and resistance area. We see we go into support area, and we reached it, I think. By this indicator, we see drawdown, but some recoveries also. Let's see. 6 seconds left. Yeah, excellent deal. $80. $260 on our balance. We move on to the next. Here we are. Down deal, and we start our technical analysis. The first thing we see here is we look at the previous candle. Our previous candle closed with a huge upward trend related to the bottom, which means that we are more likely to continue our growth pattern. Thus, in the state of this formation, we open on the downward trend. Next, we highlight areas of support and resistance areas. We see that we are quite confidently overcoming the areas. And we going down, lower. This indicator, we see some drawdown to the down positions. Pullback, previous pullback, we had a slight recovery. Drawdown, we see. It tells us about trend is decreasing. Profit is $80 to $81. With $341 on our balance again. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube and my Telegram channels. There you can find more useful information about trading, and you can find the link to Telegram in the description.
Hello traders, my name is Lynn and you're on my YouTube channel where I show you how to trade in minor options. Here you will find the most profitable and easiest trading strategies.
So what we see here, by technical analysis, we see drawdown, then consolidation, and we going up to the upper positions. Yeah, some growth, we see. You can notice this also. Then as this consolidation, we see our indicator involves shows us the boundaries in the upper positions. You see, and this indicator shows us some consolidation. Bars constantly change in their height, but consolidation is in the upper position. 3 seconds, yeah, good. Last deal we see $82 on the balance. Our profit, so our balance is $423. The next concept, we increase our amount, and we go into the next concept. Let's open down here and see. Good growth we see. After this growth, we started one drawdown, 2, you see it, 3. So drawdowns. This indicator shows us positions in the down position. Yeah, there are 4 couple drawdown. Let's see for the chart. 12 seconds left until the end. Zoom it. Opening point, our opening points. Overcome it a little. Great, this deal will close with a plus. Very good. Quite nice. So, you find this in my Telegram channel. All the deals. Let's reduce the deal amount to 200. So here we are on the next concept about up and down, and we start our technical analysis. What we see here: support area and resistance area. We see here at the moment that we have already reached the support area for actually the 4th time. The first was stopped, the second was reached, the third was reached. So good. Upper positions. Envelopes shows us drawdown. Momentum, we have 2, 3, 4 bars also in the lower position, of which below the previous one. Also drawdown. Let's see. We have 11 seconds left. We're below our opening point. It's good. 2 seconds. Excellent. Our deal is going to plus. Profit is $252. Here we are on the next counterpart. And we start our technical analysis. Yeah, we see that our chart is going down. Pullbacks, green candles. Consolidation is going down in the lower position. I think it will be also draw down. We see bars also going to the 0 position. Let's see. 12 seconds left until the end, and we are below our opening point. Yeah, draw down, as I said. 4 seconds. Great. Plus deal, $166 and up is our profit. So let's summarize it. Our balance, we increased it more than 10 times. Good. It was $100 at the start, and now we have more than $1,000. It's good. 1 minute deal amounts, 1 minute time frame. So we used currency pass, and we used 2 technical indicators. So the settings you see, envelopes. You can pause the video and copy it. And also the settings, the other indicator. So I think that's it for today. If you have any questions, you can write me in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.